Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are on exercise number 13.2, question number 9. I have given the link in the descriptions for the previous questions. If you all have missed it, please go and watch. So here in the 9th question, it says that we have to find the lateral or the curved surface area for a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is having diameter of 4.2 meters and height of the tank is 4.5 meters. Okay. So let's start. Given data is height is given to us, height of the tank, that is your H, 4.5 meters. Okay. Then diameter is given to us. Diameter is D, that is 4.2 meters. So from diameter, we are going to calculate our radius. So radius R will be half of the diameter, that is half of 4.2 meters. Okay, that is just a minute, 4.2 ka half lena hai. So it is 2.1 meter. So radius R is 2.1 meter. Now let's start with the first question. First question says that we have to find the lateral or curved surface. Okay, दोनों एक ही है बच्चों. Lateral and curve both are same. हम base and the top portion nahi consider karte. We just consider the curve face here. Okay, this is the curve face. So let's start. It is CSA, curved surface area of petrol tank, and the formula is 2 pi RH. Okay, formula is clear. हमें और तो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करना है बच्चों. डायरेक्टली लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू हियर. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 2.1 into height. Height is 4.5 and the whole will be meter square. Okay. Now whenever you are dealing with decimal numbers, just to make your calculations a bit easy and more accurate, convert them into fraction. So here it is 2.1, which can be written as 21 by 10 into 4.5 can be written as 45 by 10 meter square. Okay, now here we'll start by reduction. 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 7 ones are, 7 threes are, again 2 11s are, 2 fives are, 5 ones are, 5 nines are. Can you all find more possibilities here? कुछ छोड़ा है हमने, चेक कर लो. No, सब पूरा calculation is done. Now let us solve it further. 9 threes are 27. 27 multiply by 11. Okay, 27 को multiply कर दो बच्चों 11 से. We'll get 297. Okay, so let's take 297 here. 297, and in the denominator we are just left with 5. So 297 divided by 5 will give us 59.4 meter square. So therefore first part done bachcho. Answer: the curved surface area of petrol tank is 59.4 meter square. Okay, I hope students you all are clear with the first part. Please pause the video, note this down, and let's start with the second one now. In the second question, it says that how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. Okay, हमें बताना है कि एक्चुअल में हमने कितना शीट यूज किया है स्टील का. If 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted. So what we'll do is we'll assume the total actual sheet given to us as X. Okay, so let the amount of steel actually used equals to X. अब इस स्टील में से बच्चों हमें जो एक्चुअली स्टील हमने यूज किया है उसमें से 1/12 वेस्टेड है. 1/12 ऑफ द स्टील इज वेस्टेड. हमने टैंक बनाने के लिए 1/12 स्टील को वेस्ट किया है. ओके, सो स्टील वेस्टेड विल बी 1/12 ऑफ एक्चुअल, इजंट इट? एक्चुअल हमें एक शीट मिली थी, उस स्टील की शीट होती है, राइट? स्टील शीट से हम स्टोरेज टैंक्स बनाते हैं. तो वो जो स्टील शीट था हमारा बच्चों, उसमें से हमने 1/12 वेस्ट किया. इट मीन्स जो भी हमें होल क्वांटिटी ऑफ शीट मिला है उसका 1/12 वेस्ट किया. इट इज 1/12 ऑफ एक्चुअल यूज्ड steel, right? Which means that it is 1/12 of x, which can be written as x by 12. So the steel wasted is 1/12. Clear students? ये समझ में आ गया होगा सबको? So now let's proceed. Now here we have to, the condition given is how much steel was actually used. If 1/12 of the steel used was wasted in making the tank. तो हमने अमाउंट ऑफ स्टील जो हमें फाइंड करना है उसे x लिया है, देन 1/12 वेस्ट हुआ है, दैट इज x by 12. ओके, सो इट्स लाइक कि हमारे पास में x शीट थी, x अमाउंट ऑफ स्टील था, उसमें से हमने x by 12 वेस्ट करके क्या बनाया है? टैंक बनाया. ठीक है, अब टैंक बनाने में हमें कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया भी लगा, प्लस हमें बेस, उसका सर्कुलर बेस एंड सर्कुलर टॉप भी तो लगा, राइट? हमने एक क्लोज्ड सर्कुलर टैंक बनाया है. इट मींस हमने तीनों सरफेसेस, जो सिलेंडर के 3 सरफेसेस होते हैं, उन तीनों सरफेसेस को कंसीडर किया, विच मींस हमारा TSA. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू ऑल आर गेटिंग दिस. टोटल शीट हमारे पास, टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ स्टील हमारे पास x था, उसमें से हमने x by 12 वेस्ट किया और फिर क्या बनाया? टैंक बनाया. टैंक बनाया, इट मींस we have the TSA, total surface area of the tank, right? So this is how your given condition will work, and we have to find the value of x. अब x की वैल्यू निकालने से पहले बच्चों हमें TSA कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा, isn't it? So therefore let us first calculate the TSA of cylinder. So TSA of the cylinder is equals to what? It is actually 2 pi r plus h. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7. R is आपका R कितना था? 2.1 था. This was complete 4.2, उसका हाफ हमने लिया था 2.1 मीटर. 2.1 in the bracket, 2.1 plus your height. Height is 4.5 meters. Okay, now let's solve this. So 2 into 22 by 7. 2.1 can be written as 21 by 10. And here this bracket we'll add 2.1 plus 4.5 hoga 6.6, which can be written as 66 by 10. Okay, now let's calculate this. 7 ones are, 7 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 11s are, again 2 5s are. So we will have it 11 threes are 33, 33 into 66. That will give us 2178 upon 5 5s are 25. That is 2178 divided by 25 will give us 87.12 meter square. So this is the TSA, total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, now let us use this in the given condition, that is x minus 12. X minus 12 is equal to TSA, that is 87.12 meter square. Okay, now here we'll take the LCM. ये हो जाएगा 12x minus x by 12 is equals to 87.12. That is 11x by 12 equals to 87.12. Okay, solving this further for x, हमें x के लिए solve करना है. So x remains as it is, 87.12 as it is. 11 by 12 आपका ट्रांसपोज हो गया, so it will become reciprocal 12 by 11. Again, as I said, convert your decimals into fraction for your easy calculation. It will be 8712 upon 100 into 12 into upon 11. Okay. Now here 11 ones are 11. What times will 8712 go in 11? It will be 7s are 77. 792. Okay, so x is equals to 792 into 12 upon 100, which gives us 792 multiplied by 12. Karo bachcho, multiply them, we'll get 9504 upon 100. As denominator में 100 है, so we'll put decimals after 2 digits, so it will be 95.04 meter square. So this was the total amount of steel given to us. Okay, एक बार मतलब आपको actually steel कितना दिया गया था 95.04, आपने उसका 1/12 waste कर दिया. waste तो होगा ना बेटा, cutting करेंगे है ना, cutting वगैरह करने में, shape देने में cut waste होता है. Okay, and from 95.04 we wasted 1/12 of it, and we used 87.12 meters square to make this tank. I hope students you all are clear with this question. Take a pause, note it down, and if any doubt, please revert back. Give your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.